Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run, where we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is Rode's latest microphone which has recently come out, and this is the Video Micro 2, and they've released other microphones like this, but this is a particularly very compact microphone and relatively cheap. So basically, like all my videos, let's get in the box, see what we've got, and then I'll give you a bit of an audio test to see if this is something you might want to get for doing blogging or basically just run and gun shooting with your camera. First thing out the box is basically a little manual. It's very small, it covers some information on the microphone, but it is pretty small. They basically want you to go online to download more details, but they do give you this very thin basic manual. Next are two cables. One is designed to be used with phones and has got the different connection on it, and the other one is for cameras like DSLR cameras or video cameras, so you get the two different cables in the box, which is also good. Comes with this rather unique mount, and this is to help dampen any shocks or bangs from the microphone when you've got it attached to your camera or wherever you mount it to, so they give you this as well. Also comes with two different types of sort of wind socks, a foam one which you could use indoors, and then this one which is good for wind dampening because it's got the furriness on it, and it's great that they include both of these, so that's also included. And finally, we've got the microphone itself, and as you can see, it's incredibly small. It's not much to it at all. It's basically got one output on the back. There's no switches or anything on this microphone, and it doesn't take a battery, so it runs on power from the camera or whatever device you're using it. So that's pretty handy. So next, let's give you a sound test, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video if I think this is worth getting or not. Okay, so we're just doing an audio test, and basically I've got the microphone, say about 60 centimeters away from my face, and the audio you're hearing now is coming from the actual Rode Micro 2. So hopefully it sounds reasonably decent. I'll move it a bit further away and a bit closer, and hopefully this gives you a bit of an idea of what the audio's like. And if it's something that sounds reasonable, it might make you feel that it's worth getting this for your camera or for doing just some basic blogging stuff. Anyway, let's go wrap this video up. Well, there you go. There's my quick unboxing and audio test of the new Rode Video Micro 2 microphone. And overall, I think the quality is reasonable for the price you pay for this particular microphone. It's good for doing some basic blogging and run and gun type shots. It's not the best microphone out there, but it's definitely reflects that in the price, being not too expensive, and it's reasonably well built, being a Rode microphone. So in the sense of what you may use it for, I could recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.